In this series of videos, we spoke about STEAM and how it helps us solve problems. In this example, we used science to help us understand the physics of how the car moves down the track. We used technology in the way that we can laser cut and 3D print components of the car. We used engineering to help us solve the problem of how the car gets from the top to the bottom of the ramp. We used art to show your individuality and help your car stand out in a crowd. And we used mathematics to help understand the physics of how the car works. In studying STEAM, you help to develop your critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These skills are used in everyday life and in pretty much any career that you want to pursue. Thank you so much for being involved in learning STEAM with us. If you'd like to share pictures or videos of your car with us, please get onto the MakerX Burnie Facebook page.